Hi everyone, welcome. Today we are searching about AI trading bot on YouTube and we see a suspected YouTube channel that spreading fake videos and scamming people. So as the name and the banner and the logo, it's like a cartoon channel and if we go in old videos, so this guy buy our channel and start posting videos. Let me show you what kind of scam this person doing. It's posting video about AI trading bots.
Hey guys, today I want to tell you about a really
And
interesting AI-based crypto project I recently discovered.
okay, I will go through this website. Here he post a link. Okay. Okay, so here is the website, crypto arbitrage bot, and he tell here 14 days free version, trial version, and premium access $500. Okay, here you can contact and the reviews. Let's check the code of the website: CSS, HTML, and here is the JavaScript. So this website build simple HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It's open source. I think this is suspected. I think this is the wallet address, and it's not in the same format. I think is decrypted also. Okay, so let's start active, and this code is already written in the code. Let me show you. This is the code, valid promo code. Okay, we are copy it, got it, login, continue. Okay, so here you have to set the details. The wrong place or bad thing here, this is asking for your API key for Binance and Bybit and OKX. This guy mentioned all the exchanges, so you have to put the API key, or even you can connect wallet. I'm not sure, but they can drain your wallets if you connect wallet. I'm not sure about this, but here you can see they are asking for the Binance API. So don't use this kind of websites and never share your API key or any private key like a wallet private key or any API key of your exchanges. These kinds of untrusted websites. So this is uh, mostly common in the crypto. People's making a way to scam or fraud with people in many ways. So if you are trying to double your money, so I think you will lose all of your funds. So keep away this kind of scam, and also try to identify the channel first. And let me show you the fake reviews. This is the total all fake comments on the post. This is all fake comments. So you have to contact with a trusted developer if you want to trade, automate your trade. Like as we built a bot for myself and we are running it on Astrodesk, and we are making profit. So we can also make a customize bot as per your strategy on Hyperliquid or Aster. So if you want to trade, you have even bots on Binance and Bybit. So many kind of bots available. So you can even, instead of manual trading, you can automate your trading by running this kind of bots. So keep in mind, never trust this kind of guys and never deposit funds or interact with your wallet, or never give this kind of platform your API keys.